Welcome to part one of our three-part series to end our Disney World vacation in 2022. We begin our day at Hollywood Studios. We get to check out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then go and check some character meet and greets from Monsters to some Frozen characters, and also characters from Galaxies Far Away. We also get on a bunch of different rides, have some yummy treats, go to a fun cantina on a different planet, and ride one of the best rides within the park. Come along for our adventure. Enjoy our last day at Walt Disney World. And welcome to our last day here at Disney World. We're going to Hollywood Studios. Made it in. Busy mornings. The extra early hours was 8 o'clock. They opened at 8:30. It's about 8:45 now. So we go see the new Runaway Railway premiere. That's what the backstory is. So they have the shorts that are actually made, kind of posted around, they change, and then here's the one for the premiere for this ride. And Suri and Theo's first time on this one. Suri says she can't see the Mickey, but can you? Looks like there's a dragon hidden Mickey here too.
Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay.
Hi, Goofy!
Well, you all ready for a picnic?
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. Anyhow.
What happened?
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the park room while I fix this here locomotive?
Sounds like a lot of paperwork, but okay.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
First Runaway Railway ride.
Ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Hiya, folks!
Hello there.
How you do?
Hey, Mick and Liam.
We're in good spirit, aren't we?
The one here with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no. Suri, Theo! We're going down! Ah! Some soft jazz squid music. Dancing Suri. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent. Oh, so beautifully together.
Hey,
Such a fun ride.
Told you nothing
Love the
was
lights
gonna
in
go
here.
wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so happy. Why we get there? We have one crazy round.
Fun little tidbit on that ride is in the circus scene, there's a little sign that says the Great Moving Ride. So a little homage to the original ride that was there, the Great Movie Ride, which was another great ride. I wish we vlogged back in the day when we first rode it. Then we could have been able to look back on it, but we like watching videos. We went into the Waltz Presents Theater, which shows, or the exhibit, which shows a bunch of history about Walt Disney and how he began to open the park at Disneyland and his cartoons. So, and then here they have the Meet Sully experience, or Monsters Inc. experience. So we're gonna meet Sully right now. Going in to see Sully. Say hi to Sully.
I know. She was counting all over the survey. That's a lot of work.
Ooh, yeah, Sully gives big hugs. Oh wow. Look at that.
How old you're turning?
How old are you turning, Zuri?
She's turning 6. And how high school? She can. She counts up 30 over here in the corner. What? I don't think you can even count to 6. Yeah. Do you guys want to take a picture with them? Even Spider-Man can count to 6.
Wow, hey.
You guys can stand right in front.
Yeah,
Okay,
go
ready?
take a picture with you.
You go right in front.
Yeah. Say
Ready?
cheese.
Monsters. Right? They have scales. That sounds like Randall.
Oh.
He's not our favorite. Definitely not your favorite monster. A team Good scarers. I think she's a monster in disguise.
Oh no.
Are you undercover? Like an opposite boo?
Did you because of Theo?
Zuri, did you want to ask your question?
You want to scare her?
You gonna show your dance moves?
Yeah, she was wondering how Boo is. We were talking about it in the line.
Oh, I think she's good. We were just checking on her, but it stayed reds. I don't think she's home.
I see.
You think she's probably not in her bedroom, huh?
She might be at school.
Oh, we're that too? Probably.
The costumes for the Descendants too. Zuri is so excited to see him. Here we are in Toy Story Land for the first time.
Stay calm up here. Jesse,
Here's the entrance to the new Roundup Rodeo restaurant, which hopefully we see in the next couple of years. We got the brisket melt with the tater tots and the tachos for the first time. The brisket we've had before, but the tachos the first time, so excited to try it out. We're going on swirling saucers, and there's a hidden Mickey right there. There's Mummy and Zuri, Theo. And there's Theodore. Your first time in Alien Swirling Saucers? You got to go on Mater's Junkyard Jamboree, though it's very similar. Let's see what song we get. So Theo, before we go on this ride, do you know when you go to Toy Story Land that you get shrunken down to the size of a toy?
Yeah.
And you get to walk around in Andy's backyard?
Yeah.
Next up, we get to go on the roller coaster, Slinky Dog Dash, and then Toy Story Mania. Here we go, Theo! Whoa! Here comes another one! Dash.
Here we go.
Here we are in the lightning lane to go on the Slinky Dog Dash. We're gonna have to go in the back row. It's the best row. See that drawing on the wall there?
Welcome to
Theo's first time. Zuri's first time on Slinky Dog. Zuri, look over here. You excited? Yeah. You so excited? Your first time on Slinky Dog. Yay! Here we go. Back row. Woohoo! Back row gives you the best drop right here at the start. Here we go, Zuri. Whoa, here we go. We're going down. Woo, arms up. Wow! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, Rex! Whoa! Whoa! It's totally zoomed in there by accident. That's not good. Arms up, Zuri. Arms up.
Here we go.
Whoa! We made it! Whoa! And upsy downsies. And upsy downsies. Ah! Ah! Whoa! So we had our lightning lane for Slinky Dog Dash here, and we have one right after for Midway Mania. So we're able to get all three of the rides in this area done, back to back to back. And then after we get into the lightning lane for Midway Mania, I can book another one. I really love this land. It's Toy Story, the big Christmas lights. The big Toy Story ball, the Connect toys. Such a fun, bright area. And it's not wall-to-wall people that I've seen in the past, so still busy, but not as busy as we have seen. Going on Midway Mania. Theo's all ready for Midway Mania. Look at this guy. So cute, little nose. Usually Genie Plus has, or Lightning Lane has, a whole building on the other side. It looks like they're only running the one building today. And we're going up against the girls. Go boys. We're going to the practice area. You gotta save your energy.
Hey, partners! Welcome to the practice game!
Go Theo, go! Pull it, Theo! Pull, 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 pull. There he goes. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now so I can compete.
Our command will be... Oh, wait!
It's so good. I totally forgot a couple of the tricks, but it's okay. You win again, Jesse. Theo, who won? Who won? Hey, buddy, who won? Did we win?
Yeah.
We won.
You win.
And Daddy wins.
Yeah.
Got a barrel of monkeys. What else can we find out here? Ooh, big dice. Look at the size of that leaf. Popsicle stick wall. Who's that? Who's that? It's your birthday, hey? How old are you? 6.
You're enough weight to do. There you go.
Yes.
Yep.
It looks warm in here too.
It does.
Hi. You gonna give a hugs? Yeah? Oh, look at those warm hugs.
Hold his hand.
Let me take, oh, yeah.
Okay, look at mom and dad.
Say cheese. Oh, thank you.
You gonna say bye to Olaf and warm hug.
And we have some book like out.
Okay, we're gonna give you, because he doesn't sign, he's got two extra cards.
Thank you.
Those. Okay.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Give him a high five.
High five.
His friend's been.
You want any fun and happy dances for the summer? These summer dances, yes?
Oh, look at that.
Can you do a summer dance too, Jerry?
Oh, the sprinkler. Nice work. Oh. Oh, he's good at ballet. The singing. Oh, we gotta go see him there, hey?
Oh, yeah.
We'll say hi. We'll say hi for you.
What about Sven? Where is he at?
Oh, watch your nose.
Yeah, we gotta be careful because he's always eating Olaf's nose.
Oh no.
Give him back with the carrots?
Well,
The candy canes?
No, last carrot. No, be careful.
Oh, well, thank you for
Anything
this.
you guys want to ask or anything before we go? Okay.
How was Elsa and Anna?
They're good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Elsa, those are his best friends.
you're flurry?
Doing good. He's staying frozen. Oh, his sunglasses lemonade.
Oh, yummy.
Pink lemonade. He does. Sunscreen. Yep. His pink. Yes.
Wow, that's so nice.
Oh,
Playing on the beach.
You like
fun.
beach too, right, Siri?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should come play with you on the beach someday.
Oh,
We
yeah.
should do that.
Let's say bye to Olaf.
Bye.
Say bye.
Oh, thank you.
That's so nice. Thanks, Olaf.
Bye. So we were gonna go on Rise of the Resistance, but it's down right now.
But Theo's 40 inches.
And Theo's 40 inches, so he's able to go on it. We repaid for our lightning lane this morning, so it was good that he's tall enough still. He lost his Crocs, so we were unsure if the Crocs made him taller or not. We're just gonna walk through the market here and over to Millennium Falcon and see the Loftcat here in the market. They have so many porgs for days. Yeah, pretty busy in the market right now. Jesse's having a drink. Close up. There's Chewy and Ray. So we tried to get on Millennium Falcon a little early, but we're still a little too early for our lightning lane. So we're gonna go try Oga's here. Say hi, sir. Look, Chewbacca down there. Say hi to Ray.
I love it.
Where's your shoes? Where are your shoes? Can you show them? Show them where your shoes are. They're in here. Go show them.
Don't work for the first order.
They tried to get us to tell you where you were, but
Where we were.
yeah, but she didn't say anything.
You saw the stormtroopers.
Not today, but you did before.
Someone saw them a bit earlier, but we're hoping that they've left the planet. Last thing we want is for them to find out over here. Thank you for keeping it a secret.
So we're here in Galaxy's Edge now. We're just waiting for our reservation at Oga's Cantina. We tried to see if we can get on Lightning Lane a little bit early because of Rise being down, but we had to wait a little bit longer, which is okay. So we're gonna go to Oga's. Hopefully Rise opens up, and then we can get on Millennium Falcon after. You can see this is where all the crowd is right now. Little Man in Galaxy's Edge.
You're so leaving on that one?
We're in Oga's, it's packed. Ooh, look, you have a pork mug. There's the blue bantha. How's the bantha cookie? Yeah, you have
No,
some.
you can have some.
How is it? How is it, Theo? Siri gives the bantha cookie a thumbs up. Got the pork mug and Zuri string. There's the Bespin Fizz. Look at this drink Mommy has.
What's going on? Look, it's bubbling.
No. Can't have it. And we got the outer rim.
That
Like
part's
a
really
fruit
good.
puree, I believe.
Yeah.
Song, one of our favorites. We get loud, we cheers, and we chant. We say, hey! Hey! Do it all with us and make it loud. It's gonna come back around again. Everyone,
Blue milk.
take a sip, get ready.
Inoga's Canteen. So here is the first order area. To the right here is used to be blocked off last time we were here, but the entrance to the Halcyon. That'd be a fun adventure to go on one day.
Sorry, we're on sector recon. Hold it right there. Who's the leader here? You're
This guy.
Well then, I nominate this one.
Oh.
Good luck.
Hey, talk to the stormtroopers. Not the most popular drinks, but here's the blue and green milk. The kids are gonna try them. What do you two think? Yummy? Ooh, don't spill, you're spilling. Our mission here. Oh. They're sending data to your band. Got a new target. Trying to find this guy. Let's see if we can find him. He's had a tough time fighting the Edmo Ectoclee. Wanted for gambling debts, racketeering, theft of Doc Ondor's plated arc. Oh. I'm getting a red, getting farther. So, gonna find him in the marketplace and around the restaurants. So we're gonna go to Rise now since it's open. Then we'll come back. Theo's first time seeing BB-8. Going to see the Resistance Base. Theo's first time here. Whoa, wait. Go walk up here, Theo. Look at all the stormtroopers. Look at space out there. Don't yell at him, Zuri. Let's go this way, Theo. We have a mission to do. Don't say anything to anyone, Theo and Zuri. Here we go. Any side, Jay?
Real quick, I need to see how tall the little
Yeah.
Are you comfortable going 2 and 1?
Theo's getting his third height check.
Okay, perfect. Stay together for now, okay?
Watch out, the stormtroopers are looking at you. Suri is taking the don't say anything very seriously. Telling everyone not to say anything. Don't tell them anything, she's saying.
3 on orange. 4, unit of 4, you are on silver.
Silver.
You're on silver.
Here we go, buddy.
Done at the color that you are standing on. It is very important for your interrogation that you remember that color. Shall you forget it? That would be a little embarrassing. It's just a color, it's not that hard. This time,
Don't forget your color.
Anything on your back, anything around your waist, any bags, remove them and hold them in your hands. Come on.
I gotcha. Colors. Never noticed those there to stand on. Look up here, Theo. We're stuck in an interrogation room.
Leave us. Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Uh-oh. We're stuck in this big room. What's that noise? They're saving us, Theo, Zuri. Let's go to our colored one.
Mind your colors, recruit. Mind your colors.
To your right.
Get in.
You're still here? How's it going to task force? Get to the escape pods now.
R5 is going to take good care of you guys today. Don't look at the eyes, may the force be with you.
Thanks, R5.
He's bad.
No, he's on our side. He's going to take care of us.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely
Gone
fastened.
backwards, never gone backwards
Keep your
before.
legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Nothing to see here, nothing to see here.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Just a prisoner transfer.
Does it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
We're just prisoners.
A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
I'm brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Got stuck in the door for a second. It was a cool little interaction we never seen.
All right, nice job, recruit.
But it was running on B mode for Kylo Ren, unfortunately.
I have that authority. Right back?
Interesting little conversations since it's a little backed up.
Okay, and hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on two
back
pods
there.
descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
We got first order patrol over the race, Bravo.
I see him. We're keeping to the tree line.
All teams, be advised. Lieutenant Beck is still unaccounted for. Consider this a priority recovery.
Command.
Lieutenant Beck here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
Zuri's ready to go on a flight. There's Theo. Look good, buddy. That's how yours look. Look good. Look at you. You ready for a flight? Love it. Theo got a new X-Wing on the way out. Poe Dameron's.
Okay, you can just stay here then.
Let's open it.
Great job.
Look at that. That's a cool ship, buddy. Let's take a picture in front of one now. Next up is a ride on the Millennium Falcon, and then maybe the Frozen show and the Lightning McQueen show, and then we're off to Epcot. For reference, we stayed 4 nights, or 7 nights in the hotel, 4 nights at the parks, or 4 days at the park, should I say. And we kind of just scratched the surface of what we can do with the kids. So if you're coming, definitely try to come multiple times to do everything. Don't try to fit it all in.
I'm Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable...
Thank you.
Sorry? Yeah. We're gonna hold right there.
Thank you.
Hang out right here for just a moment. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Head straight across from your friends.
That's fair.
This way, workers. Happy birthday.
Yes! We got the collection! I will grab it! You keep up the retreat!
Down, Zuri, down. You're good. Up, Zuri, up.
Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting...
Down, Zuri, down.
Get out of there!
Pull it.
We've heard the first order and made
Got 2 containers.
Now after
Haven't got a third yet.
modest profit,
In the
you're
asteroid
got
field after.
minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
A couple dents. Oh my. So Millennium Falcon was great. I'm heading over to Cat's Kettle to get one of the iced coffees. Maybe I can pick up a Ronto wrap as well. Got the cold brew at Cat's Kettle. It's at the Docking Bay 7 at Disneyland, but different here. Stayed a yummy Ronto wrap. We exchanged a toy that we got for Theo, the X-Wing. The little wing parts were falling out. So we took that back and they exchanged it for us and got one that doesn't fall out, so that's great. Now we're gonna go to one of the shows, I think, here. Cool down a bit. that concludes our first part of this Hollywood Studios last day at Disney World video. We're going to be heading over to the Frozen sing-along show here in the next video, so stay tuned for that one. It's actually a pretty good show. The kids loved it. I may have sang along as well. But thanks for watching. Make sure to comment your favorite thing that you've done at Hollywood Studios, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure. And Boventure is out there.